Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to redeem code in Pokémon Go. To redeem a redemption code in Pokémon Go, first of all, you'll need to go ahead and open up a web browser on your device. In the URL box, type in store.pokemongolive.com and search. You will then end up in this official website where you need to go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. In order to redeem your code, you will need to sign in to your Pokémon Go account. Tap on the sign in button and then choose one of the sign in methods appearing on the next page. You can sign in with your Apple ID, Facebook account, Google account, Niantic Kids account, or with Pokémon Trainers Club account. Choose one of these options and sign into your account by following through the prompts. After signing into your account, go ahead and tap on the Code Redemption button as soon as you open up your hamburger menu from the main home section. After you tap on Code Redemption, you will then need to go ahead and enter your code available for redemption. Enter the promo code or your redemption code in the provided text box and make sure you type it in correct. Finally, click on the Apply button right next to the code box and you will then be able to redeem your redemption code for Pokémon Go. After you're done, the rewards will appear in your account. Make sure that the code hasn't expired, and that's it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.